Phonepe functions as a central dashboard for your monthly budget, handling everything from direct peer-to-peer transfers to automated utility bills. By the end of this guide, you'll have a setup that handles your daily finances faster than a traditional banking app. To start, you need 3 items: your smartphone, the SIM card linked to your bank account, and your physical debit card. Having these 3 items on hand prevents the most common installation errors and ensures the verification process is successful on the first try. Download the official Phonepe app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open it, tap Get Started, and enter your mobile number. The app will request specific phone permissions to send an automated verification SMS. Grant these permissions so the app can verify your device instantly. Tap your profile icon, then select Bank Accounts. Choose your bank from the provided list to link your account. You will need to enter the final digits and expiration date from your debit card. This information allows you to create your secure UPI PIN. You do not need to add money to a digital wallet before you pay. This setup creates a direct, real-time bridge to your bank account, removing the need to manage a separate digital balance. You can send money in 3 ways: by selecting a mobile number, entering bank account details, or scanning a QR code. Before you confirm a payment, always verify the receiver's name at the top of the screen to ensure funds are going to the correct person. Once you've confirmed the name and amount, enter your UPI PIN to complete the transfer. To receive money, find your personal QR code and unique UPI ID inside your profile menu. Using this system moves capital between accounts instantly, bypassing the waiting periods often found in traditional bank transfers. Beyond simple transfers, the app manages recurring payments and monthly overhead. Within the Recharges section, you can pay for mobile data plans, DTH television services, and highway toll tags. The Utility section connects directly to your service providers, allowing you to pay electricity, gas, and water bills from this single menu. You can also resolve more complex obligations, such as credit card statements and insurance premiums, using the same interface. The History tab provides a permanent ledger of these transactions, serving as proof of payment for every bill and transfer. You can check your current bank balance at any time by selecting the Check Balance option and entering your UPI PIN. Centralizing your daily transfers, utility receipts, and balance checks into one dashboard eliminates the need to manage multiple provider apps separately. Open the app settings and activate App Lock or fingerprint authentication to prevent unauthorized access to your financial data. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Official support staff from Phonepe or your bank will never ask for this code under any circumstances. Your account is now verified, properly linked to your bank, and protected by biometric security. You have successfully set up the tools to manage your entire financial life from a single interface.